Good morning, guys. This is Jones Multinet, and we got a contract today for cleaning large facility home. All these grout lines that you see here that are dirty, and this is a big home, as you can see, and we got a whole area done down here. We got our fans, we got our spinner over here, and that kitchen part is totally done. All that is done back there. We got a multi-sprayer, and we got some corner guards standing up. And let's go upstairs and see what we're gonna have to do. We got a bathroom here, and this is going to be all done this afternoon, and a contaminated shower, which we will take care of. I think the choice of stone may have been bad since it's false stone, but we'll get all of this clean. We'll be back later with another video showing the afterwards.